Hi, I'm reviewing the BioSafe Level Shock 1 kit I just received today. Everything in the UPS, and my name is Ben. Been a customer of BioSafe 1 since really like 2009, and we have had excellent success with this product. We have basically a lot of people in our family using the septic system, so we had to pump out probably every 6 months. And so usually, you're supposed to go a little bit longer than that. So I discovered the BioSafe products online through some research of different other products. This one looked like it had the best testimonial or reviews and testimonials and all that. So let me show you the septic system. Okay, so this is the riser. You can see it or not here. So my backyard's a little messy here. Okay, so this is the riser lid, and as you see, we have the BioSafe 1 box, and this is the Boss 112 5-gallon liquid sludge buster. On top of it is the BioCube, which is good for 2 years. So we're going to be using those products today, and show you the septic system here. We do have a child guard, which is good just in case you have little kids and any of our animals don't want to fall in the tank there. Make sure I don't drop my phone in here. So this is the tank level. Sure if you can see it, it's not hardly much sludge on it. It's about let's see, I don't know, 5 inches from the top of the tank. We just had it pumped recently. It was about almost 2 years. So we're going to be adding the BioCube today. I already started the Boss powder, which is in the box here, well packed. So we're going to be using the liquid in the BioCube today. Let me get to that here in 1 second. So I just want to show you how the box is packed. It is pretty packed well. Plenty of peanut protectors in there. Comes with the blue sheet, but it does come with a good instruction manual on how to use the product. All good graphics and instructions there. So I'm going to go ahead and get the liquid BIO-112 mixed up. You have a 5-gallon bucket, you pour half in and stir it. The other half you fill in with warm water as well. We'll do that secondary after we put the main product in the tank. Okay, so here is the Boss 112 liquid. It smells pretty good, like dishwashing soap. The Dawn dishwashing soap. So we're gonna go ahead and mix this up, and we'll get some in the tank. Okay, so just an update. We did pour 5-gallon bucket of Bio or Boss 112 into the septic tank. Smells actually not too bad. Smells like dish soap still. So here's the BioSafe 112. This is a 3-year supply. You can basically add. We're gonna add about 2 packets per month, or 2 packets per month is usually what we're doing. This is what it looks like here before I mix it up with some water. And we'll pour that directly in the tank as well. Again, guys, great stuff. If you're having septic issues, like we were, the Drainfield goes out straight there, about 75 feet each direction. So it's definitely quite a system there, but this stuff is kept it running pretty smooth. So we'll go ahead and get this mixed up, and then we're going to go ahead and install the BioCube, which complements the level 1 shock. And we'll go ahead and hang that halfway in the tank, suspend it on the riser. So I just want to share one thing too. I had a little bit left over for the BIO-112, so we put some more water in that, dump on the tank. And this is the Boss bio powder, submerged or mixed with water. So we'll go ahead and dump both those in the tank. Okay, so we're going to lower the BioCube into the tank here. Pretty good slip knot there. So we're gonna fix my slip knot there. Okay, so in we go. We're gonna let it sit to the bottom of the tank. It's about a 1,000-gallon tank, so probably take a few seconds to get to the bottom. So I didn't handle it at the bottom, so we're just gonna let it probably float in there. Okay, and I'll go ahead and tie it up. Okay, so we have installed the BIO-cube and place the safety barrier back in place. So you put the riser cover back on. That does complete the level 1 shock system treatment. Again, it consists of the Boss powder, BIO-112 5-gallon bucket, and the 2-year supply of the BIO-cube. So this stuff works, guys. So if you have any problem with your septic tank, definitely give Chris a call. BioSafe1, or you can go to their website, BioSafe1, I believe it's .com, but you can always Google it. Good stuff, guys. Been using it since 2009. Hopefully this helps you out. And that takes care of that. Hopefully, thanks for watching.